friends, welcome to our channel Just to Know. Today our topic is on prostaglandin. Prostaglandin is an important essay question. This topic was suggested in the comment section by Anilakshmi S. Ma'am, can you please put a notes on prostaglandin? Yes, I hope this video will be useful for you. Prostaglandin. Structure. Eicosanoids are the precursor of the prostaglandins. Prostaglandins were originally isolated from the prostate tissue and hence the name, but they are present in almost all the tissues. Prostaglandins are structurally related to the prostanoic acid, which is a 20-carbon aliphatic carboxylic acid having a 5-membrane ring with bond OH or a double bond O substitution at C9 and C11. All the prostaglandins have a hydroxyl group at C15, which is essential for their biological activity, and a trans double bond between C13 and C14. Biosynthesis of prostaglandin. The precursor fatty acid is present as membrane-bounded phospholipid, from which the arachidonic acid is released by the action of phospholipase A2. Then, the arachidonic acid is converted to prostaglandin G2, which is catalyzed by the enzyme sialooxygenase. Following this, the prostaglandin H2 is formed from prostaglandin G2 by the action of the enzyme peroxidase. Hence, prostaglandin G2 and H2 are the intermediates for other prostaglandins. From prostaglandin H2, prostacylin is formed by the enzyme prostacylin synthase and thromboxane A2 is formed by the enzyme thromboxane synthase. From prostaglandin H2, other prostaglandins are also formed by isomerization reaction in the presence of the enzyme isomerase, resulting in the formation of prostaglandin D2 and prostaglandin E2, where prostaglandin E2 is reduced to prostaglandin F2, which is catalyzed by the enzyme reductase. And these prostaglandins become inactive prostaglandins in the presence of the enzyme 15-hydroxydehydrogenase. The prostaglandins are considered as the most potent biological active substance because they are important for the activation of adenyl silase. This adenyl silase converts ATP to cyclic AMP, which has a various biological effect. So friends, subscribe our channel for more updates and share your interested topic in the comment section which you want us to post. Regulation of synthesis. Phospholipase A2. Phospholipase is activated by epinephrine, vasopressin, thrombin and angiotensin II, where they are inactivated by steroids like cortisol, which prevents the release of arachidonic acid from the membrane. Then sialooxygenase, which is activated by catecholamines and inhibited by non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin. This sialooxygenase exists in two different forms, namely consecutive form and inducible form. The consecutive form produces prostaglandins that mediate gastric, renal and platelet function, whereas inducible form mediate the inflammatory response. The sialooxygenase is a suicidal enzyme since it undergoes self-catalyzed destruction with rapid inactivation of the enzyme. Therefore, the enzyme is active only for a short duration, about 30 seconds, which prevents the excess production of prostaglandins. Physiological functions of prostaglandins. Effect on cardiovascular system. The prostaglandin type E2, D2 and A2 are vasodilata, which is used to decrease the systemic atrial blood pressure. The prostaglandin E2 and D2 prevent platelet aggregation and lymphocyte migration. Because of its anti-aggregation property, these prostaglandins are used for storage of platelets for transfusion in patients with thrombocytopenia. Effect on gastrointestinal tract. The prostaglandin E2 inhibit the gastric and pepsin secretion. Hence, they are given to the peptic ulcer patient that accelerates the rate of healing. Effect on uterus. Prostaglandin E1, E2 and F2 induces uterine muscle contraction. Therefore, IV administration induces labor, but high dose causes termination of pregnancy. Effect on respiratory tract. Prostaglandin E1 is a bronchodilator which is used in the inhaler for asthma patient, whereas prostaglandin F2 is a bronchoconstrictor. Effect on renal. Prostaglandin E and ACE increases the renal plasma flow and increases the GFR. Therefore, IV infusion increases the urine volume. Effect on inflammation. Prostaglandin E2 and D2 produce inflammation by increasing the vascular permeability and vasodilatation, thus producing the local inflammation and wheal and flare reaction. Effect on ovaries. Prostaglandin F2 is involved in LH-induced ovulation, mainly in animals. Metabolic effect of prostaglandins. Mobilization of fat. Prostaglandins act through the reduction in the level of cyclic AMP and hence inhibits the lipolysis from the adipose tissue, and the prostaglandins act like an insulin in this way. Hypercalcemia. Prostaglandins increases the bone reabsorption and hence the decalcification of bone leads to increased serum calcium level, leading to hypercalcemia. Hypercalcemia is seen in the case of medullary carcinoma could be due to the hypercalcemic effect of the prostaglandins. Steroidogenesis. Synthesis of steroid hormones in the adrenal cortex has been shown due to the increase in the response to the prostaglandins.